In this video, we'll show you how to install a 4-wire power cord on your range. To complete this task, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver. If you need to replace your original power cord, begin by disconnecting the power by unplugging the range or turning off the circuit breaker. You will need access to the back of the range, so move it away from the wall. You can use a floor protector panel or a large piece of cardboard to slide the range onto to avoid scratching the floor. On the back, you will see an access panel held in place by 2 1/4-inch screws and a retaining tab. Remove these screws. Then remove the access panel. At the bottom of the range, you will see where the power cord connects into the terminal block. Disconnect these 3 connections at the terminal, and then disconnect the ground wire. The power cord is locked into place by a strain relief, which is located underneath the opening. Loosen these screws so you can remove the old power cord. Then thread the new power cord through the strain relief and opening, leaving enough slack for the cord to reach the connections. You can now connect the wires. First, connect the ground wire. Then connect the other wires to the terminal block. The center wire is neutral and should be connected to the center position. The other wires should be connected on the outer positions. Tighten screws securely into the terminal block. It is important to ensure that all the connections on the terminal block are tight. Then tighten the strain relief screws. Replace the access cover on the range back by sliding its left edge under the retaining tabs and replacing the 5 screws removed previously. Finally, restore power to the range and slide it back into place. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.